For life, a lot of people don't know. There's too much hair on the air cushion comb. Scrape it with a flat comb. Solve difficult problems with ease. A large bottle of perfume is not portable. Take off the perfume cap. Suck some up with a syringe. Pour it into the sub-bottle. It's easy to carry when you're traveling. Position the pencil as shown in the video. Tie it up with a rubber band. Make a stroked drawing. You can make a perfect copy of the illustration. Yukon doesn't peel well. Cut off the front and back. One more cut in the middle. You can peel it easily. Cut each end of the band-aid. In this way, the combination is more intense and solid. In addition, it facilitates the movement of fingers. Set the cap on fire. Then, put the broken cable on it and roll it around a few times. It's back in use. A needle and thread won't go through. Find a toothbrush, press it down, and pick the thread off. Don't forget to pay attention to likes. We will see you next issue.